clutch here. Have this the factory one, this is the extended one. They actually make these backwards, the brand that I got. But this one is about another 5 inches, 5 to 6 inches. Put these spacers on underneath the handlebars up there. So give it a shot. I already know some of you guys are gonna ask, but to take the clutch out, you do need, this comes from the top of the handlebars up here, and the actual clutch lever. I would suggest you get yourself, oh my god, I'm getting all over the place here. I would suggest you get yourself one of these to take out the pin that goes around this piece here at the bottom. Make your life a whole lot easier. When you take that off, if you break it, you're going to need a new one. For the clutch, I'm going to move this, get this peg out the way, take out the derby cover bolts. Yes, I'm missing one here. Take the clutch line out from inside the assembly, find the derby cover, unscrew this out from the primary, pop the new one in, run the wire all the way up, nice and tight, and see how I like it. So, covers off. Here is the clutch assembly here. So now we're going to take this out. Make sure that stays together. Put it down. Then you're going to back this side as much as possible. Get your flathead. Stick that in there. And loosen it up. As you can, and then now this should be loose, and you're going to take your clutch out of here this way. Put the gasket down. Man, this is impossible. Alright, so the extension's on. I like it. It's got the, I put the two extensions here, 2-inch extensions, so now these bars are 14 inches tall now instead of 12. I like how it sits, they look pretty good. They're pretty high up. I'm not that tall, but I like the way this is. Hopefully you guys can see it up here. But so far I like it. It's pretty nice and tight. I gotta bleed these brakes again and then keep pumping them. I gotta put this clutch lever back on, and yeah, that's it.